you don't speak the language of money, it will never listen to you. Because money responds to how you think, decide, and act, not to effort alone. Here are 3 languages of money that you must understand in this year and that can transform your life positively. Number 1, I will become wealthy. What you need, first of all, is to change the way you talk and say to yourself every day, I will become wealthy. Because if you say, I can't, I guarantee that you can't. Barack Obama once said, yes, we can. Just to mean that everything that you want, even though there are many obstacles, you can afford it. That phrase had changed my life positively. Number 2, money is a tool. Many people are scared to talk about money because they feel insecure about money. But the reality is that money is a tool that can amplify who you are. Because if you give a good person more money, they have a tool to do more good. If you give more money a bad person, they have a tool to do more bad. Money is just a tool because it allows us to do more things about taking care of our family, friends, or community. Number 3, this is money is abundant. Money exists in huge quantities, but it goes to the person or people that know how to attract it. If you don't know how to attract money, you can't say that money exists in abundance. If you repeat these 3 languages of money every day, your brain will find so many strategies to use in order to get that money. Thanks.